All right, I wanted to make a quick video. This is 2007 Toyota Tundra, changing out the cabin air filter. You probably saw the video. I did this way back when. But I don't know, it's been a couple years since I changed the cabin filter. I figured it was smelling a little bit, had a little bit of smell to it. So lo and behold, I took the glove compartment apart right here. So there's two tabs here. Hold it. One here. And then lastly, you want to pinch this off. This is like a retainer. So this side up, cover comes off. These two tabs here. One there. And one there. So I kind of live in the woods. So I got some trees, some pine trees. Yeah, that's pretty bad. So last time I changed this was, the reason this is ripped because I had to yank it out because I had all this stuff here. I think I should change these more often than not. So I ripped this out. This came right pretty easy besides all these pine trees that came along with it. See it? There's a little acorn down there. I want to take this apart and drop the circulating fan, which is right here. Drop that down and get that acorn out of there. I don't want it to be swirling around, otherwise it's going to make all kinds of noises. Here's where the vent comes through. You feel the heat from your feet. So look like these are 8mm. It's like 3 of them. I'm going to detach the wire harness here. We'll take that off, and then we'll drop this down. Take the air cone, clean everything up, and then put it back. All right. And here's the replacement part I got from Amazon. It's a charcoal filter. Absorbs exhaust fumes, allergens, pollens. So it fits most vehicles. So this way up. And yeah, it fit. All right, it looks like 8mm. Little pinch point here, pinch and pull. There it is. And we got one more clip here. There it is. Okay, that's out. So let's take a look, see. There it is. So if you ever need to replace your circulating fan, this is what it looks like. Here's those dang acorns. Let's get rid of that. You know, it was a lot of pain just to get it out, but I'd rather have that out. Like I said, the wire harness goes in here, snaps in there, and there's only 8mm holding up this thing, and then everything else is just, should be easy. So to put it back is the reverse. I said the side's up, so follow the arrow. Pretty easy, I think. Cover goes back. Just pull this down a little bit. Get these tabs in there. This also snaps on here, so make sure they're lined up down here. So I usually put the one down here on first, right there, and then these tabs will line up into these slots. These slots in here, right there. Here it is. All right, I'll put back the others. It's 2007 Toyota Tundra. I think it'll fit 2007, 2009. If you change out the cabin filter. If you like this kind of content, will help you cost savings and doing stuff yourself, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and give me a thumbs up on this video. Yeah, that was pretty gross as far as the cabin filter being that dirty. So I'll probably do it more often than not. I think last video I did, maybe 2 years ago, that I did do a filter on that. And check out that car in the background there, into EVs. That's the 2023 Model Y. I'm putting a level 2 charger, universal charger on that car. So that video coming soon. If you don't know already, you can just go through my playlist. And I have a section just on EVs, electronic stuff, upgrades, maintenance, and stuff that's related to that. All right, I'll see you. Appreciate everybody subscribing to the channel.